Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for 9th class, chapter 1, real numbers, and in this video we are going to discuss the problems from exercise 1.4 first bit. Here is your first bit question. Simplify the following expressions. Okay, here he gave the word expression. Okay, means there is no equal to. You should find out, you should simplify step by step and write the resultant answer. Okay, so let us go with the first problem. 5 plus root 7 into, whenever it is written in brackets, this is one expression and this is one expression, and in between there are brackets, means they are under multiplication. Okay, so your question is 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Okay, so I'll simplify this problem in step by step. Please listen. So let me take the question in the first step. Now here, first thing you should do, see here, is whether the terms are same or not. Okay, so this is 5 and this is 2. They are different. Okay, here this is root 7 and this is root 5. They are also different. Okay, if it is given in this way, suppose here 5 plus root 7 is only there. Here you have some 5 minus root 7. Okay, let me take like this an example. 5 minus root 7. Now if you compare these two are 5. Means I can write as A. Okay, you should use the identities here. Okay, here I have root 7, here also I have root 7, means I can express them as B and B, because both are same. I am taking them with a variable B. Okay, here it is plus and here it is minus, right? So if it is in the formula of A plus B into A minus B, then you should write the respective formula and simplify with this formula only. Okay, so here the main thing you should observe is the terms which are same or not. If they are same, you can use the respective identity, or you can just do the multiplication. Okay, in this question we are having different terms here, 5, 2, root 7 and root 5. So I can just write, I should multiply this with this complete expression and this root 7 into this complete expression. Okay, let me take that step. 5, take this. See, simple. This is in the form of binomial into binomial. This the very simple procedure. I'll tell simple here. See, this is a binomial. Binomial means two terms, right? Here is one term, here is one term. This is a binomial. Okay, and here this is also binomial because there are two terms. Okay, whenever there are two terms, it is a binomial. So whenever there is binomial into binomial, simple. Select any one expression. You can select 5 plus root 7 or 2 plus root 5. Anything you can select it. Okay, here I selected 2 plus root 5. Okay, I selected this 2 plus root 5. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. Okay, means you should write this 2 plus root 5 2 times. Okay, are you getting? See, simple. Here I can select any expression. I selected 2 plus root 5. Okay, my selection is 2 plus root 5. Now I should write this one how many times, means see the other one which is not the selected one. We should see the other one, 5 plus root 7. There are two terms, means you should write this 2 plus root 5 2 times. If there are two terms, you should write 2 times. If there are 3 terms, you should write 3 times, means 2 plus root 5, 2 plus root 5, and here also you should write 2 plus root 5 if there are 3 terms, trinomial. Okay, finish. I've written 2 times. Now the next thing is, the other one you should split it, means 5 I should split it, and this root 7 also I should write it separately. Okay, in between there is plus, so you should write plus here. Okay, understood? The selection one you should write how many terms are there, that many times, and the other expression you should separate them with the symbol in between them. Okay, if you didn't put here symbol plus or minus, if you are not keeping here your symbol, all the things will be under multiplication because there are brackets in between. Okay, so don't forget to put the symbol in between. If there is a symbol, then only you'll get multinomial, or else you will get all in multiplication only. This will be in multiplication, means you should multiply like this. Okay, so I'll multiply now 5 into 2. Now this one, whenever a number is there between the bracket without any symbol in between, then it should be multiplied to each one in the bracket. Okay, simple. 5 should be given to both of them. We are distributing it. This is distributive property. We are distributing this 5 to 2 as well as this 5 to root 5. Okay, so 5 into 2 is 10. I am writing like this, distributing 5 to 2 as well as 5 to root 5. And here you have plus, here you have plus, so I put plus here. Next, root 7 should be distributed, so root 7 into 2, root 7 into 2, and root 7 into root 5 here. Okay, in between there is plus, so put plus in between. Okay, now multiply. 5 2s are 10. Okay, and 5 into root 5 is 5 root 5. 7 into root 2 is 2 root 7. And here root 7 into root 5. Whenever there are two roots under multiplication, your formula is root AB. Means you should put only one root and multiply the number. 7 5s 35. Okay, so here why I stopped till here only means I can't proceed because till here your simplification is finished, because there are no like terms to be simplified. Okay, this here you have 10. This is a rational number 10. Okay, these three are irrational numbers. Okay, so these three, 5 root 5, 2 root 7, different terms, we cannot solve them. And root 35 is also different thing, we cannot solve them. So we cannot simplify it. So this is your last step. Okay, the only thing you should remember is whether the terms in the given expression are same or not. If they are same, use the respective identity, or else just select any one thing and write it with the other expression number of times. I have written 2 root 5 2 times here, 2 plus root 5 2 times, and here 5 is 5 and the root 7 is distributed. Okay, now again this is under distributive property, so I am distributing this 5 to both of them and this root 7 also to both of them, and don't do keeping the symbol properly. If it is plus, you should put plus. If it is minus, you should put minus. Okay, and multiply, you'll get one thing. And if it is further solved, means if you have any like terms, you can simplify it further. Clear? So let us go to the next question from this bit. Here is the next question. 5 plus root 5, 5 minus root 5. Okay, so here if you see the terms here 5 5, they are same, so I can write them as both a and a. Okay, and here it is root 5, here it is also root 5, so I can write as b b. Okay, and here in between it is plus, here it is minus, means I got a minus b and a plus b. So my identity, let me take the question as my first step, and here the identity we are using, we should use is a plus b into a minus b, because here both are same, I can write both as a, and here both of them are same, so I can write as b. In between I have plus here and here I have minus, so it is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. Okay, now you can express in this way, like a square minus b square. So our a is 5, so I can write as 5 square, and my b is root 5, so I can write b square, means root 5 whole square. Okay, so we know that 5 square means whenever square, cube are there, you should multiply this number that many times. So 5 square means 5 into 5. So what is 5 into 5? It is 25. Minus here root 5 means root and square will get cancelled and you'll have only 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20. Clear? So let us go to the next problem. Here is a third question. Root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Okay, so we have, he gave whole square. Whole square means, see, this is separate, this is different, means I can write it as a and it as b because they are different. Okay, and in between you have plus, so plus, and you have bracket with them within brackets and whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square, right? So take the identity a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means our question is in this way and you should simplify in this way. Okay. So what is our a here? Root 3. Right. So you can write it as root 3 whole square plus, here you have plus, I put plus here. Next 2. So 2 here. Next a is there. A means root 3. So root 3. And b is root 7. So I have written root 7 plus b is root 7. So root 7 whole square. Okay. Now here square and root are cancelled. Here I can cancel square and root. Okay. So it is 3 plus 2 root 21. How I got this 21? Because root a into root b equal to root ab identity. Okay. When both irrational numbers are multiplied, you can put only one root and multiply the numbers within the root. Okay. So 3 7s 21. So I have written 21 and here root and square are cancelled. So you'll get 7. Okay. So here this 3 is a rational number and here 7 is also a rational number, means I can simplify it, right? So 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 2 root 21. Now here I cannot simplify it further. So my answer is 10 plus 2 root 21. So let us go to the next problem. Here is the next question. Root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. If you observe here, root 11. So you should take it as a and a. As both are same, you should take them as both same variables. And here root 7 and here root 7 both are same. So I am taking them as b. Okay. Here it is minus and here you have plus. So you can use the identity a minus b into a plus b. So you take the identity which is a square minus b square. Use this a square minus b square and simplify the problem. Simple, right? So let me take the first step as my question only. And here we are using the property a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Okay. So here my a is root 11. So I wrote root 11 whole square. And my b is root 7. So root 7 whole square. So here when root and square are getting cancelled, you will get 11 minus 7. So you have 11 minus 7, both are rational numbers, so we can simplify them. So 11 minus 7 is 4. So here is your answer of root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. So this is how you should simplify by using the respective identities. Okay. So first thing you should see whether any suitable identity used here, or you can just multiply in the binomial into binomial way or binomial into trinomial way, whatever it is. Okay. So first you write them as a or b and check with our identities. If no identity is used, you just multiply in binomial into binomial as we have done for the first problem. Okay. I hope you understood this video. So take your own questions and simplify them. For all the other videos of class 9th videos, please follow the link in the description. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.